Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use formula of Countif to find the total of student for each grade. So this is my example. Here you need to type the formula of Countif like this. Equal sign, Countif, open bracket, and then you need to highlight the student grade. Press comma, and then don't forget to put quotation mark before you put the grade. Close bracket. So that's it, and that's all from me, and thank you for watching.